How did you even do that?
This rider hardly has the chance to notice the police actively trying to pull him over. And just as he realizes what's happening, they pull a careless move like this on him. Caught in traffic, this group of riders slows down as an angry driver gets out and confronts them about their riding. But one biker just won't let it go, firing back while his friends record the escalating tension from afar.
Hey, you're holding up traffic. Get in the car, bro. Get in your car. Get in your car. Get in your car. Bye. Bye. Yeah, it does. That's fine. What did he say you did? He didn't say anything about it. He's gonna turn around or some shit. Bro. Oh, get out of here. Come on, come here. Come here! Come here! Come here! Come here! Hey, come on, bitch! Not doing nothing! What are you guys actually doing? Something! Oh my god. Alright. Yo! Get back here! Get back here! Get in your car! Get in your car! Or do something! Grab your car and drive the f*** away! I don't care! Get in your car and do something! Dude, what the fuck is happening, bro? He's not doing the right. He needs to get on his bike and go. I don't know. Yeah, I think we're... Guys, let's go. Just ride, just walk away, bro. Come back, bro. Walk away. Come on. Come on. Guys, come on. Let's go. I'm very glad I don't have my kids with me. It's fine. It's not that deep. Let's go. Cause unnecessary shit. It's fine. No one's hurt. Hey, I think we're chilling, guys. I think we're good. You think so? Can we just ride? It's not that... Yeah, we're good, bro.
Even when you're doing everything right, someone can still mess it up for you. As this rider goes straight through his lane, a driver suddenly makes a U-turn from the right lane, ruining his ride.
Good luck, everybody else!
This rider sums it up perfectly. This is exactly why you don't buy gas caps off to move. Swerved at by this SUV for simply trying to lane split past, this biker decides to have a little fun with the couple. Taking one hand off the bars to adjust something might seem harmless, but watch how fast things go wrong. This rider's line shifts instantly, nearly clipping a car in the lane next to him, and worse. It's a perfect reminder. Even a second without full control can cost you big. Bad road conditions can ruin your day fast. Watch as this rider hits uneven pavement mid-corner and loses control. Another reminder to ease off sometimes.
No, back the fuck up. Back the fuck up.
Stopping for gas with his girlfriend, this rider notices a man approaching fast and starts backing up toward his girlfriend's parking spot. But watch closely. The guy doesn't slow down, and things escalate in a way no one expects.
Hey, yo, back the fuck up, bro. No, back the up. Back the up. Hey, yo, back the up. I swear to God, back the up, bro. Back the up. Get in. No, no. Get in. Yeah, come on!
Out on a rural road, this rider gets an unexpected scare when a tractor driver pulls out right in front of him, pulling a move you don't see every day.
What the fuck, man? There we go.
The wide-angle camera doesn't do it justice, but this rider's flying when a car suddenly pulls out ahead. Forced to slam the brakes and hop the sidewalk, he gets a harsh reminder about speed and visibility.
Oh! Oh my God! Holy Holy
On a closed track day, things spiral fast after an oil spill causes multiple riders to slide out, turning one mistake into an 11-bike pileup.
Holy Stop it! Stop it! Holy 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 Stop! 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 Holy holy holy
Doug? I know where you are.
Stop! Stop the Leave it for now. Leave it for now. Yeah. Leave it. Leave it. Holy no warning.
Even if lane splitting is legal where you live, always stay alert, especially in slower stopped traffic. This rider learns firsthand exactly why that rule exists.
They were looking at me, they took a photo, then they went that way. Weird. They're following me in like a Chevy truck. I want to land that in a wheelie, that'd be cool.
While practicing in a closed lot, this rider spots an angry truck driver heading straight for him. After getting uncomfortably close, the driver tries to kick him out, and things get heated fast. Just listen.
Sir, you're about to hit me.
I know.
That's not nice.
Yes, it is. What are you doing down here?
Riding.
Okay. Is this your property?
It's open.
What is that? What difference does that make?
All kinds of signs. Right there's one right there.
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah. Right there, big white sign on that.
Yeah. Read that one.
That's not big, sir.
Okay. It's open. You think it's open for motorcycle jumping?
So I don't know.
What it is?
It looks like it.
Okay, well it's not. So you need to turn around and you need to pull out.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, you didn't almost hit me though.
Well, no. If I was gonna hit you, I would have hit you.
It would have been your fault anyway. You're jumping a curve.
Yeah.
So I stopped and you just ran into me.
You need to leave.
Okay. All right. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
You can be respectful though.
I'm very respectful
I don't know. It was kind of rude.
because I didn't hit you.
Oh, if you would have, I'd sue you.
Okay. You know what? It ain't gonna be the first time.
Okay. Good. Glad you got money for lawsuits.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. See ya. Angry ass man. We're gonna hit a little wheelie on the way out.
While riding through the mountains, this biker spots his group stopped ahead, but somehow he misses the massive concrete pillar right in his path. Just watch.
Mettiamoci di
No, girati di qua, girati di qua.
due, vai.
Ok.
Non li vuoi di terreno?
No, non si è fatta niente. Non ti
No,
preoccupare.
non si fa niente.
No, no.
No, io niente.
Sta a folle, togli
Togli
il a folle.
la marcia.
Stopped in traffic, this rider gets clipped from behind by a lady in a white van. Luckily, he's okay, but just listen to the excuses she gives him as he approaches her.
Really? How? How did you even do that? Come on. You don't know how it's in between the two cars, so you hit me? Really?
I didn't hit you.
Yes, you just rear-ended me.
Okay, so what are we gonna do? Traffic is moving.
Hold on. HVA 9YB. Pull over to the side. Actually, hold on.
Fortunately for her, the rider had to get to work and decided to let it go since the damage was minor.
Just...
But it's a reminder that even when you do everything right, others can still cause chaos and take zero accountability.
Get off the road. Unbelievable.
So strong.